Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are watching this video. Guys, today I want to teach you something that is very, very, very important. I've seen a lot of people talk about alligator pepper, alligator pepper. Well, I want to tell you the real fact about alligator pepper, how you can make your alligator pepper very much powerful. And after this video, check the channel. I'm also dropping, immediately I drop this video, I'm dropping another video on the several spiritual use of alligator pepper, several powerful way to use alligator pepper spiritually. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you make your alligator pepper very, very, very powerful. Okay, so I'm going to do this video as fast as possible, so I wouldn't waste your time. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you will not miss other important video from us. Okay, all right guys, let's look at alligator pepper. Remember, alligator pepper is a glass. Okay, it's not from a tree. Alligator pepper is a type of glass. Yes, it's a type of ground. Okay, it's a type of glass. Okay, of which once they uproot it from the ground, it is wet. Yeah, once it is being uprooted from the ground, it is wet until they have to dry it before it will dry. Okay, they have to dry before it will dry. So now you have gotten alligator pepper from the market, and now you want to use it for spiritual purpose. There are some certain rules and regulations. Alligator is a spirit. Yes, alligator pepper is a spirit. Just like the way other spirits have rules and regulations, else the spirit will not work for you or it will not come close to you. So also alligator pepper. Alligator pepper has rules and regulations. It has do and don't. Okay, that is what I'm going to teach you here today, so that when you use alligator pepper for anything, it's going to work for you. Okay, and a lot of people have been saying, I've seen video of alligator pepper, it doesn't work for me. That I want to change today. I want to tell you why it's not working for you, because you must have been handling alligator pepper the wrong way. So after this video, you should be able to handle alligator pepper very, very well, and it will work for you perfectly. Okay, all you have to do is that once you have gotten the alligator pepper you want to use, yes, after you have gotten the alligator pepper you want to use, then the next thing you are going to do is bury the alligator pepper. Yes, look for a natural ground, bury the alligator pepper. Okay, bury the alligator pepper for that 3 days or 7 days. Like for me, I like going for 7 days. Okay, after you bury the alligator pepper for 7 days or 3 days, depending on the one you choose, then when you are going to open it, the first time you are going to open it, take the alligator pepper to the back. Don't open it from the front. If you want to use it for spiritual purpose, take your two hands to the back. Then use your finger, use your right finger to pitch it open. Don't use your left finger. Yes, use your right finger to pitch it open from your back. Okay, then after you have opened it from your back, then you have activated it. You cannot bring your hands forward. Okay, and anything you want to use with it, you can do with it. The thing is that alligator pepper can be used for evil and it can be used to good. You can use it to bless someone, you can use it to curse someone. That is what I'm going to teach you in the next video. Several powerful ways of using alligator pepper. Now, after you have opened this alligator pepper, you have kept telling me you want to use it, then you cannot use it. Then if you want to keep alligator pepper, look for sand, where you have access to a natural sand and keep it. If there's no place, maybe you are living in a city where there's no, maybe your compound is tiles, there's no place you can bury it in your compound, or you understand, or if you have a house and you know that there's a tree, or that there's a tree in your house where you know that people cannot easily go across that particular place, keep it. Don't keep alligator pepper where people can easily cross that place, because you don't know if those people have sex or on menstruation. Another thing is that once you have sex, before you touch alligator pepper, make sure you take your bath. I do see videos on YouTube. Once you have sex, just go and take alligator pepper, use it to wipe your hair and this and that. Before you do that, you must take your bath. Yes, before you use it to cleanse yourself. So which I'm going to teach you guys in the next video. So you must use alligator pepper to cleanse yourself. You must bath before you use alligator pepper to cleanse yourself if you had sex. So that's just it. Keep alligator pepper where nobody can cross it. I'll also make sure it's on the soil or on the soil. Okay, if there's no place where you can keep it, just get a container, put sand on it. Okay, then you can be keeping the alligator pepper there, and make sure you keep